So within tax planning and helping clients prepare, plan around the tax structure that we have, there are two or three things that are really important and tools that we try to use with all of our clients. Number one is not being a CPA, we're not preparing tax forms necessarily, but we are helping you with tax advantage investments. So if you have after-tax investments and you're paying capital gains on those as they produce capital gains and dividends and things like that. So maybe we're structuring the portfolio in a way where we're using certain types of investments that either don't kick off as much capital gain, or maybe it's tax advantage or tax free, at least from a federal level, or we are reducing the amount of transactions within the portfolio just to help with harvesting gains down the road, offsetting gains if you have losses in the portfolio. So from a tax planning perspective on the investment side of it, we're just trying to pick those that are more tax advantaged than just something that would be in like an IRA account or pre-tax money where it doesn't really matter necessarily internally because you're not paying tax on that money until you take it out. Another tool within tax planning that I help my retired clients with is their tax withholding strategy. So most clients, when they come in, they're moving money out of their retirement account from their employer, they're putting it in their own IRA account, and they begin to take distributions to live on because they don't have a paycheck anymore. But we'd have to figure out taxes because that money is 100% taxable. So how much tax should we withhold, on the federal level and on the state level? So just having conversations around how much taxes should I withhold, and it depends what other income is coming in. For some clients, we hold out extra because they aren't holding taxes out, let's say, from their Social Security checks, and they have other maybe passive income that they need to kind of take into account when planning. Another tax planning tool is around stock concentration. So if you have a large stock position or a large ownership position, like in a business, and we may have to get maybe some other professionals involved, but the idea around that is how do we either minimize the tax upon selling the position or selling the position over time to minimize the overall tax burden. So we can help you with tools around liquidating large taxable positions just so that maybe the tax impact is lower. So my role as your financial advisor within the tax planning realm is not to give tax advice. We can refer you to a CPA or a tax consultant if you need that. But what we specialize in is helping you plan for the impact of taxes on your retirement and in that transition to retirement. When it comes to financial planning and transition, there's nothing more empowering than having a team that's dedicated to providing confidence and clarity. That's what we do.